Crying.
Because it hurts.
It hurts. Let me see. Just let me see your mouth. Why? Are you mad? Why are you mad at us? You're the one that wanted your tooth out. You begged and begged and begged for a week to pull your tooth, and we pull it, and then you cry. Just let me see your pretty mouth. Chloe. Chloe, baby, turn around. Let mommy see. Here, you want to see your tooth? Here. Can you look at me? Please?
Why?
Because I love you. Look at mommy. Chloe. Let me see if you're bleeding. Let me see. Chloe Dion. Look at mommy. Alright, it's time to go to bed. Come on. We're going to go take a little girl nap. Then look at me.
Be a big girl.
Look at mommy.
Show that you lost a big girl tooth. Now you're going to get a big one.
Oh, so pretty. You look so cute.
You're going to get a big girl tooth.
Guess who's coming to see you tonight? Who comes and sees you when you lose your tooth?
Grandpa.
Grandpa?
How'd you know?
No, it's going to be the Tooth Fairy. Are you excited?
Can I play a game?
Can you play a game?
Yeah.